Welcome to our training on how to create a deal. You can set up a deal if you and your products meet the eligibility requirements and if we have shared a recommended deal with you. Follow these steps to check if you have any recommendations. 1. Sign in to your Seller Central account. 2. Click the menu in the top left corner of Seller Central. 3. Hover over the advertising section and select Deals. 4. Click the Create a New Deal button. You'll arrive at the Deals dashboard. This page will either display a recommended deal, or if none have been identified for you, you'll see a banner stating there are no recommendations at this time. If you meet the criteria and we've recommended a deal, follow these steps to create a new deal. 1. In the Deals dashboard, click Create a New Deal. 2. Choose an eligible product and click Select. 3. Enter the schedule and click Continue to Next Step. 4. For Lightning deals, complete the deal price or discount per unit and minimum deal quantity fields. Or, for 7-day deals, complete the deal price or discount per unit for each product you would like to include in the deal. 5. Choose and select the main product's image that will be featured on the Amazon Deals page. You can double-check that the image is compliant by searching for and reviewing our Deal Image policy in Seller Central. If you select a non-compliant image for your deal, all deal eligibility will be removed. 6. Click Continue to Next Step. 7. Review the fee for your deal. Fees may change based on a number of factors such as the timing of your deal. Fees are charged after your deal finishes running. 8. Review each section for accuracy and click Submit Deal to submit the deal for review. 9. Click Advanced Edit to arrive at the Create a Lightning Deal page, where you can edit additional fields like product variations. This concludes our training on how to create a deal. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.